guys, welcome back to my channel. You don't know it's a girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo, I want the them. Guys, shout out to all my new subscribers. I see you and I appreciate you guys so much. You are appreciated. If you're on this channel for the first time, please remember to give this video a thumbs up or a thumb up because it's one thumb. Sorry, I'll be cracking up myself. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, definitely show the love, and share with a friend. Yeah, it's free to share, it's free to subscribe, so do that. So guys, in today's video, I really want to talk to you or give you my secret products that I've been using on my face for my acne scars. Because from the last video I did, I spoke about my acne journey and the struggles that I have and so on. I found these products and I started to use them a couple of months ago, and I want to share them with you guys. So the product mainly that we are going to be talking about right now is Xtreme Brite. And with the Xtreme Brite line, you have the Xtreme Brite acne spot remover, and you have the enhancing gel. These two goes together to fade dark spots. This helps you with spots and scars and everything. You have your exfoliating soap. This soap, you know that you would use this first before you put on your cream. And then you have your Xtreme Brite serum. This is what it looks like. Now these, some people will say expensive, but I find that they work, so that's why I bought them. They are not available in a Jamaica. I never see them in a Jamaican store yet, so you have to try to get them online or overseas. Now this one, the acne spot remover, this one is for $10.99. Call it say $11. And the enhancing gel is for $10.99, $11 as well. The soap is for $22.99. So it's $23 for the soap and $23 for the serum. What I use as a soap as well, I got this soap from a Jamaican store in Kingston. I don't remember the name of the store, but I'll try to find a name and link it below. But it helps you with scars as well. So I use these two soaps. Now, if you're not aware of the type of skin that you have, maybe you are sensitive or stuff like that, you have to try to find out what type of skin you have. I have extra sensitive skin. So over the years, I've tried different things and I know what works for me. So I use two soaps. Normally, you're supposed to use one soap. Shout out to my friend that got me this necklace. It says Skylife on it. I appreciate it so much. I love you. Anyways, this soap, I'm showing it. Skin Lightening soap is for $6.04. Price are still depending. Why am I say so? Why am I not take off the price? So you don't know when you get a soap, you don't use the all light. You cut it in half, or if you can cut it 3 times, you get better use out of it. So I recommend that you cut it. Let me show you the Xtreme Brite soap that I have here. I cut off one little piece of it. At 3 times I plan to cut this because I don't know when I go get back them here. So see here, I cut off one piece of it. Xtreme Brite soap. But what the Xtreme Brite soap does, it really cleanses your skin good. It exfoliates your skin and it makes your skin dry, oil free. Because you know that when you have acne a lot, it's really the grease, really the acne that come from. So this helps you with the grease and the shining, and this helps with lightening. I'm using 2 years. I'm fine say they help me with my acne scar. My skin don't look too bad. I don't really wear makeup because makeup is my thing. And makeup may break out. So those are the products that I use. It's the Xtreme Brite line. You get the syrup, the acne remover, and the brightening gel. When you mix the brightening gel and the acne remover, it helps with the spots. The serum, I don't really know what serum for, but I always put it on my face. I use the serum from time to time. You don't have to get the serum right away because I don't really use it as much. $29.99, $23. Kind of a bit expensive for a regular man, so you don't have to get a serum, but you can get the soap and the enhancing gel and the spot remover cream, and know that these help. And the Xtreme Brite line, it helps with dark areas on your skin. If you have inner thighs problem, underarms problem, it helps with that as well. So you can check it out and see if it can help you guys. So I decided to share that with you because I share my acne journey with you, so you can definitely look for those products and try them, because if you have acne, you're gonna get acne scars. So that's one of the things that I use to help with my acne scars. Thanks for stopping by my channel. I appreciate sharing with you guys, and I appreciate you guys liking and subscribing my videos and following my journey, because we're all about growth, health, success, everything that's good on Skylife TV, and I appreciate you guys so much. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, and definitely show the love. Leave a comment below. Later.